Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are diving into the long time review of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. It's been 5 months since its release and I have been using it my daily driver. So does it hold up in 2025? Let's find out in this video. First, let's talk about the design and the build quality. The Pixel 9 Pro XL comes with an excellent design on the skin using Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The flat aluminum frame and matte glass give it a premium feel. The camera bar now more of a pillow-shaped island. It's a nice evolution from previous models. The weight distribution is perfect and the flat edge make it easy to grip. But if you are coming from a small phone, it might take some getting used to. Moving to the display, the 6.8-inch OLED display with its LTPO 120Hz refresh rate is still a joy to use. The colors are nice, sharpness is excellent, and the peak brightness of 3000 nits make it perfect for outdoor use. On the performance, the phone comes with Google Tensor G4 processor paired with 16 GB of RAM. It's handled daily tasks smoothly, like multitasking, social media, and even light gaming are still smooth. But it's not the most powerful chipset out there compared to Snapdragon 8 Elite or Apple A17 Pro. On the software side is running Android 15 on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is a joy to use. The software is clean and pack a lot of AI features. One thing I appreciate is Google promise of 7 years of update. Now talk about the gaming performance. I am playing Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile on this smartphone. Call of Duty Mobile you can play very high graphics and max frame rate, and you also play medium graphics and ultra frame rate. On the other hand, you also play PUBG Mobile HD graphics and extreme frame rate and also play smooth to extreme. And I am already making Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile dedicated gaming review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. Now let's talk about the camera. The triple camera setup including a 50 megapixel main sensor, 48 megapixel ultra wide and a 48 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. In a daylight, taking a great picture with excellent dynamic range, and the picture quality is excellent. You can get best picture all time. Color correction and sharpness too good. And I'm also making a dedicated camera review Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. And the low light performance is solid. This smartphone give you always best picture no matter is day, low light and night. Battery life has been solid. The 5060 mAh battery easily lasts a full day and it supports 45-watt fast charging. So after 5 months, it's the Pixel 9 Pro XL worth it. If you're looking for a best Android experience with a top-notch camera, absolutely. But if you need more raw performance, you might be choose another flagship smartphone. Okay, that's pretty much for our long-time full review Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let me know in the comment section below your thought and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.